Today, we will talk about administrative expenses. Administrative expenses are costs incurred by an organization that are not directly related to a specific core function, such as manufacturing or sales. These expenses are related to the organization as a whole, rather than individual departments or business units. Administrative expenses may include salaries of senior management and the costs associated with general services or supplies, such as legal, accounting, clerical work, and information technology. These costs tend not to be directly related to the production of goods or services of a business and are usually excluded from gross margins. Wages, benefits, building leases, insurance, subscriptions, utilities, office supplies, and depreciation expenses may be classified as administrative expenses. Some companies may allocate out administrative expenses to each of its departments based on a percentage of revenue, expenses, square footage, or other measures. For example, if XYZ company spends $4,000 monthly on electricity, this could be recorded as an administrative expense and allocated to different departments based on the square footage each department occupies. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Administrative expenses are costs incurred to support the functioning of a business, but which are not directly related to the production of a specific product or service. 2. Some level of administrative expenses will always be incurred as a necessary part of operations. 3. Administrative expenses are often among the first identified for budget cuts, because they do not directly impact a company's main business functions. 4. Management may allocate administrative expenses to its business units based on a percentage of revenue, expenses, or other measures. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.